Hi ladies and gentlemen, come on in, you're in for a treat. Check out this gorgeous, all renovated, single family home in Winchester. It does have a great garage space as well, and this kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. You have a nice lovely dining room table right there, stainless steel appliances, Brazilian granite, my favorite. I mean, this is top of the line gorgeous. On this level, you have a full bath and a full bedroom. So check that out right there. As you come right behind me, what you're going to see is this great living room space, which leads outside to a wraparound deck and a lovely backyard typically you don't get in this area. And I mean, the kitchen is just gorgeous right behind you. Next, we're going to go upstairs. Hey guys, here we are upstairs, one of my favorite parts of the house. As I mentioned, downstairs, which you'll see in a second, you have a finished basement, 500 additional square feet. You're close to everything. You're close to Arlington. You got the major highways here. I mean, the location is unbelievable. Behind you, you have a one bedroom, which is really good size. To my left is a full bath. And behind me is another bedroom. But here's the best part of the house. Come right in, follow me. This is the master suite, recessed lighting, crown moldings. I mean, it's great size, right? Then you got these built-ins to save more space. Now follow me back here because it gets even better. These built-in shelves are absolutely awesome, and you gotta check it out. Right over there, you could put as many shoes and purses as you want. But it gets even better. Right here, the case for all your jewelry. Fits in perfectly and slides away. These are her sinks, and the bathroom is absolutely amazing. Rain shower, rainforest shower head. It's gorgeous. It has everything. Place is brand new. Check it out on Sunday. The open house is 11:30 to 1. www.dna-realty.com. Or you could always call me on my cell phone, 617-921-5015. Come check it out. Don't miss it. And if you have any questions, reach out to us or email us. Thanks, guys.